Welcome to Prime Health Point, where you'll discover doctor-approved health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides to feel your best. Do you ever feel bloated, gassy, or sluggish, no matter what you eat? What if the secret to lasting energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind lies not in a pill, but in the trillions of tiny organisms living inside you? Today, we're exposing the hidden organ that controls your mood, immunity, and weight: your gut. Stick around, because the doctor-approved tips I'm sharing will transform your digestion in as little as 7 days, without gimmicks or expensive tests. Why gut health is your body's command center. Your gut is often called the second brain. More than 70% of your immune system lives in your digestive tract, and 90% of your body's serotonin, your feel-good hormone, is made there. A healthy gut doesn't just digest food, it regulates your mood, your sleep, and even your cravings. When your gut flora is balanced, you enjoy better nutrient absorption, a stronger immune response, and even clearer skin. But when it's off, thanks to stress, poor diet, or antibiotics, you get bloating, constipation, brain fog, and chronic inflammation. Common yet overlooked signs of a struggling gut. Many people chalk up gas and bloating to just getting older or a slow metabolism. But persistent symptoms like frequent bloating after every meal, unpredictable bowel movements, constipation or diarrhea, skin issues, eczema, acne, food sensitivities, dairy, gluten, low energy or sugar cravings are red flags that your gut barrier is compromised and your microbiome is out of balance. Ignoring these early signs can lead to leaky gut, autoimmune flare UPS, and even mood disorders. Doctor-approved dietary foundations for gut repair. 1. Fiber-rich whole foods. Load up on vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber feeds your good bacteria, producing anti-inflammatory short-chain fatty acids. Aim for 25 to 30 g of fiber daily through foods like broccoli, lentils, oats, and apples. 2. Fermented and probiotic foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha introduce live cultures that crowd out harmful bacteria. Try adding 1 fermented food to each meal for a month. 3. Prebiotic powerhouses. Bananas, onions, garlic, and asparagus contain inulin, a prebiotic fiber that specifically nourishes beneficial gut bugs. Lifestyle hacks that supercharge gut healing. Stress management. Chronic stress floods your gut with cortisol, disrupting digestion and microbiome balance. Practice daily breathwork or 10 minutes of meditation. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Your gut repairs itself during deep sleep. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Regular movement. Gentle exercise like walking, yoga, or swimming boosts gut motility and microbiome diversity. Even 20 minutes a day makes a difference. Hydration. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water flushes toxins and supports mucosal lining health. Add a squeeze of lemon for a gentle detox boost. Consistency is everything. Small, sustained changes beat drastic diets every time. Your gut is the foundation of your health. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Start implementing these doctor-approved tips today, and watch your digestion, energy, and mood transform. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the first gut-friendly change you'll make? Let's heal together at Prime Health Point.